Breathe easy. Say no to the daily exposure of polluted air from machine tools. We have the solution for air purification. Say goodbye to high maintenance costs and countless disposable filters. Our air cleaner features high-quality separators for efficient, long-lasting performance. Separation Stage 1. Agglomerator. The first separator features a stainless steel wire mesh where small aerosols collide and merge into larger droplets. Separation Stage 2. X-CYCLONE. The second separator, the X-CYCLONE, fully removes these larger droplets from the airflow while self-cleaning. This durable separator never needs replacement and comes with a lifetime guarantee. Separation Stage 3. Electrostatic precipitator. The third separator is an electrostatic precipitator which charges the remaining tiny aerosols with an electric field, removing them from the airflow. The separating, cooling, and lubricating fluids are returned to the machine tool. The operational status of the unit is digitally and proactively monitored online and visually indicated through clearly visible LEDs. Look to the future and make decisions that prioritize health and sustainability. Partner with us for clean air.